Oh, sorry, amiga. There's a lot of choices in here. This is lunch. So good. So good, amiga. So good. I got her a drink. I hope she likes this one. And also I got her a gift. I'm so excited to see her. So let's go and have fun.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now.
There she is. And I got something to be said. I like your hair. Ooh, sexy mama.
I always want to go to trails, but by myself I get scared.
Even winter,
You come by yourself.
Oh yeah, all by myself. Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah, it's nice in here.
I could just sit here and listen to the waterfall.
Yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands because I have a blood in my hand. What do you say, amiga? If you get diarrhea?
Yeah, I'll keep it for later. Go in the river.
It's okay if you want to go. Then you can wash in the river right there. See? I told you it's nice in here. I went in there. I went inside.
Really?
And then there's also a trail. Like, this is two way. And we can go this way. Yeah, you want to hang in there?
Be careful. No.
Alright, that was fun.
Yeah.
A short fun.
And here, phew, down.
Yeah. Hi, amiga. Oh. Alright, so it's been like half an hour walk now, but we're not tired yet. Guys, so we're going uphill. Now it's very, trees are beautiful. Hello. Morning, what a nice day, right? Yeah. So, Amiga, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You are here.
40 kilometers.
Yeah. Stay here
We
all
just done
day.
like 5.
Alright guys, so now we're going down to the Headwaters Trail. I haven't been there.
Maybe they have to get those things.
Yeah. No.
This thing.
No, probably.
Because there's more over there.
Really? I don't know. What is
I
that?
think
You're tired.
so. No, hello.
There you go. Pink one. I don't know what does that mean. See, and we can go this way. Back to the way
we started.
we started. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Nice.
These are old.
Yeah. Hello. We don't have a guide, Amiga.
You and me. I don't know where I'm going.
See, another bridge. So we are now in the middle of nowhere. Hi. Hi again. Hello.
I'm ready for the
And-
fall. Did we make it? Yeah.
Ah!
Where are
Found
we,
some
Yoli?
tent. Don't worry. What is that? I believe I can fly. No. Oh, sorry, Amiga.
Are you sure?
Got a plant. It's a nice color. I hope this is
Strawberry
nice.
too? Come on.
Wow. We just found some plants, beautiful plants, and I'm gonna take this one home to plant in the house. It's beautiful, but I don't know what kind of plant is this. Let's find out. Alright guys, we're going back. Oh, I just found this beautiful flower. Yeah. Just stand in there. There's the truck.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting
I would. I'll jump in here. No problem. We made it. So we made it. And now it's almost lunch. We're going to Vietnamese noodles.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Our favorite restaurant.
Oh,
See you later. Thanks for watching. So, Upper James. Okay?
okay.
Alright.
I'll see
Take care of your plant.
Yeah.
Take care of your plant.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it was too hot and that was a good walk today. And I'm to go to a Vietnamese restaurant. And we'll see you there. So, right, arriving now in Upper James. That guy. It's okay. I can't believe he told me like, you're an asshole, that's the wrong way. And I'll just laugh at him. Okay, we're going that restaurant in there. Our favorite noodles. The best in town. Hi, amiga. Thank you for this. Is your water? This is my water. So thirsty. I don't have glasses. I'm too blind. 37, I think. Haha. That was a long walk, so now we deserve it.
There's no 37, you deserve a large.
Large. Oh, that's too big. Okay. So there's a lot of choices in here. You can choose whatever you want. We also have, this is lunch.
So we don't have tenant anymore. So just one will just word a bit only okay, right? For 31.
What is that? Yeah.
We don't have tenant anymore.
Oh,
That one your order go back 29 just word and beef.
okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Comes another one. Late start for our appetizer. Oops, did you wash your hands?
Sanitizer, you scared
Just
me.
kidding. For 2 hours of walking in the woods. Now, guys, we wash our hands, okay? We're too clean. See, we use our hands. Don't care. So good. So good, amiga. So good. This is our noodles. I can't wait. Noodles for summer. I like this one. I can eat everything.
Yeah.
See you again in 2 weeks. Alright, amiga. Thank you.
Don't get out of the wrong way.
That was a good lunch and a good walk today, and it's nice also. I'm glad to see Roxana also today. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.